Have you ever noticed something strange? The moment you sit down to study, suddenly everything else feels more important. Maybe I should check my phone first. Just one video. Maybe I need a snack. Maybe I should clean my room. Or maybe, do I even need this degree at all? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most students don't struggle because they're lazy. They struggle because they're studying in a way their brain was never designed to learn. And that's why some students spend hours with their notes, but remember almost nothing.
Today, you'll learn 6 psychology-backed study techniques that help you learn faster, remember more, and waste less time. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final tip is the one that separates top students from everyone else. Before we begin, subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement videos. Now, let's start. Tip 1. Trick your brain into studying. Your brain hates big tasks. The moment you say, "I need to study for 3 hours," your motivation disappears.
Psychologists call this task resistance. The bigger something feels, the more your brain wants to avoid it. So here's the trick. Don't tell yourself you'll study for hours. Tell yourself, I'll do 20 minutes. That's it. 20 minutes feels easy. Your brain stops fighting. And once you start, continuing becomes much easier, because starting is usually the hardest part. But there's an even faster way to learn. Tip 2. Learn like a genius. Albert Einstein once said, "If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough." And science agrees. One of the fastest ways to learn something is to teach it. Here's how. Pretend you're explaining the topic to a 10-year-old. No complicated words, no textbook language, just simple explanations. The moment you get stuck, you've found a gap in your understanding. Go back, learn it again, then simplify it even more, because understanding beats memorization every time. But here's where most students make a huge mistake. Tip 3. Stop rereading, start testing. Most students read the same page 5 times and then wonder why they forget everything. Research from cognitive psychologists has repeatedly shown that active recall is one of the most effective learning methods ever discovered. Instead of rereading, close the book, then try to remember what you just learned. Write it down. Say it out loud. Test yourself. Use flashcards if you want, but force your brain to retrieve the information, because every time you remember something from memory, the memory becomes stronger. And that leads us to another powerful trick. Tip 4. The timer trick. Have you noticed how focused you become right before a deadline? That's not an accident. Pressure creates focus. Here's how to use it. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Study like the exam starts in half an hour. No distractions, no phone, no excuses. Then take a 5-minute break. Stretch, walk around, relax, then repeat. Psychologists call this time boxing. Your brain focuses harder because it knows the finish line is close. And that's exactly why long study sessions often fail. But there's another reason students waste time. Tip 5. Work smarter, not harder. Not everything you study matters equally. This is called the Pareto Principle, the 80-20 rule. Roughly 80% of results come from 20% of the effort. So ask yourself, what topics appear most often? What concepts are actually tested? What don't I understand yet? Stop spending hours perfecting things you already know. Focus on your biggest weaknesses first. Here's a simple hack. Take a practice test before studying. You'll instantly discover where the gaps are, and that's where most of your effort should go. But none of these tips matter if you ignore the final one. Tip 6. The real secret to better learning. This is the mistake almost every student makes. They focus on studying, but forget about how the brain stores information. Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't lock in memories while you're studying. A huge part of that process happens while you sleep. Research from Harvard Medical School and sleep scientists around the world has shown that sleep plays a critical role in memory consolidation. In simple words,
sleep helps your brain save what you learned, which means pulling an all-nighter before an exam? Terrible idea. You'll remember less, not more. And sleep isn't the only brain upgrade. Exercise helps too. Even a short walk increases blood flow to the brain and improves memory performance. So if you want to learn faster, stop treating sleep and movement like they're optional. They're part of studying.
Final thoughts. If you want to study smarter, remember these 6 rules. Start small. Teach what you learn. Test yourself often. Use focused study sprints. Apply the 80-20 rule, and never sacrifice sleep. Because the best students aren't always the smartest. They're usually the ones who understand how learning actually works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement videos. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest thing that's stopping you from studying effectively right now?